Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new playlist on React internals. This is not your typical React tutorial where you just build apps or components. Instead, this is a deep dive, a reverse engineering journey into the React source code. We'll go function by function, straight from the React GitHub repo, and explore how React truly works under the hood. Whether you are a beginner trying to demystifying JSX or you are preparing for high-level React interview, this playlist is complete knowledge resource for you. We'll start right at the beginning from how simple JSX element is converted to how React initializes the app, builds the Fiverr tree, schedule updates, begin the interface, and commits changes to the DOM. You will understand code inters like what is a host Fiverr, host Fiverr node, what are the begin and commit phase, how functions like create Fiverr, schedule update on Fiverr, and perform unit of work play a role in rendering. This is not just a tutorial, it's a breakdown, you know a discussion, a roadmap from beginner to architect to help you truly decode React one function at a time. Now let's look at the this how this course is structured. So we have what is React internals. Okay, so if you see how React internals behave, like first we'll see full React lifecycle from create code to commit code. This is the most important bit of that series. We'll walk through the entire React app cycle in one shot, from React DOM dot create route to building the Fiverr all the way to commit phase where the actual DOM updates happen. This one video will give you a complete bird's eye view of the React code engine. Then we'll go to the core into focus into deep dives. So first is Fiverr node deep dive. Understand how a Fiverr node is structured, how like tag, type, child, sibling, alternate, and how React use persistent data model. Then the next video will be as a reconciliation in React, how React is the virtual one, like this function, key and optimization. Then next is scheduling and lanes. Explore how React schedules update with schedule update on Fiverr, concurrent rendering, and lane priorities. I suspect you will not see any YouTube channel exploring these things. Then next we'll go to hook internals. Hook internals means like what happens behind you know huge state like dispatcher model, hook index trying, huge layout effect internally via the dispatcher model. Then the next thing you will see is React internals. How React handles uh, crashes gracefully. You know how React handles like during both render and the commit phases using lifecycle methods. Then we'll go to the context API internals, which like will in which we'll deep dive into the push provider and how context values propagate through the tree while preventing unnecessary re-renders. This is the important actually. Then we'll go to suspense internal, like how React pauses and resume rendering, like including throwing the promise, feedback UI, timeout logic, etc. Then we'll go to the phase 2 of this playlist in which we'll create our own use state from scratch. We'll understand closures, basic internal state tracking, emulate React use state behavior step by step, create your own edge effect from scratch, like side effect of queue dependency tracking, linear functional. Then we'll go for create custom hook where we'll discuss use fetch, use debounce, use purpose. You will create our own from scratch. At the last we'll create our React Lite. Yes, bro. We are going to create React Lite from scratch. Okay. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see through the journey of React. Thank you very much.